Hello, my name is Thomas Scott. My research study will give school administrators a list of topics to evaluate and improve on in their schools. These topics will help to minimize teacher attrition and improve teacher retention. Teacher retention is the number of teachers that stay in the same school from one year to the next, while teacher attrition refers to the number of teachers that leave a school, either to switch schools, retire, or quit. Teacher attrition has increased over the years, and administrators have found it more difficult to keep teachers. Teacher retention has become a vital aspect of consideration for school administrators. It is crucial both financially and for the stability of the school that administrators find a way to keep their teachers. The problem that arises is how to increase teacher retention. I believe many administrators go in with the idea of fixing everything at once and becoming overwhelmed. My study will provide a list of topics to work on one at a time. This list will be in order of importance. Administrators can then check off the topics one at a time as they evaluate and improve on them. Earlier research has shown that teacher pay, administrative support, parental support, student behaviors, mentorship programs, and teacher preparation programs are the leading causes to teacher retention or attrition. These topics will be the basis for my research. My study will be a mixed method quantitative-qualitative research study. I will be using random sampling. The quantitative data will be gathered with Likert scale and rank-ordered surveys. The qualitative data will be gathered with follow-up in-person interviews. I will look at each graduating class of new teachers and create a random sample of those teachers that I will follow for 5 years. This process will be repeated for the next 4 graduating classes. This makes my research time 10 years. Surveys will be conducted at the end of each school year. For the survey, teachers will say whether they are deciding to stay or leave the school they are in. They will then rate each of the topics as extremely poor, poor, good, or extremely good for that school. They will then be asked to list the topics of their perceived importance in them making their decision to leave or stay in the school. Follow-up interviews will be given to any teachers that have decided to leave their school. I will also conduct follow-up interviews for teachers that decided to stay in the school they're in, but have identified topics as being extremely poor or poor. In the end, the research will identify an order of importance for the topics which administrators can address so that teacher retention may increase in their schools. Thank you.